T-shirt chick.
Good morning, Prince Squad. I'm back with another video, and today, this is just a little behind the scenes type video. Look, I am here early this morning. It is 7:23, waiting on a customer to come and pick up and pay. And y'all, this is something that I don't like to do. Okay, so I have a customer that, when you have customers, even though they're good customers, consistent customers, from now on, I'm sticking with my regular, regimen or routine, whatever. You can't, like what this sign says right here. Actually, it's on the paper that you fill out, that nothing leaves the premises without being paid for. So I've been, on Friday, I had this customer to pick up orders, and once they was picked, well, actually she texted and was like, hey, it was real early, hey, can I come by and get the shirts now? So I was like, sure, I'll be there in 5. So I got here. When she got here, she was like, hey, is it okay if I come pay you this afternoon after I collect the money for these shirts? So because this is a good consistent customer, I was like, yeah, that would be fine. Although that would, I wanted to say, now I need my money now, because with me being a working for myself, an entrepreneur, I want to, I'm not, when I'm working for the man, I gotta wait until what day he say, okay, you may only get paid once a month, you may get paid every week, whatever they say. But working for yourself, you get paid right then. You don't have to wait, unless you set it up some other way or whatever. So I'm expecting that she said, okay, after this afternoon, that she called me at some point during the afternoon. So then she was like, she was like, you doing biddy ball tomorrow? And I was like, no, I'm gonna be out of town. And she was like, well, is it okay if I give the check to your mom? She never gave a check to my mom. Then the next thing was, I'm gonna come by there Monday, and today is Wednesday. So I'm kind of not happy with the situation, but it's my own fault, because I should have just said no, and then because when this is not the first time that you have done this order, done an order like that and dealt with me. So you should get the money up front. I always tell customers that, yeah, make sure you get the money up front, because a lot of times when you're dealing with big groups, that you have problems with them wanting to pay sometimes. So a lot of times some people will have their money and other ones won't, and then it's a problem. I've actually had an issue with that before, and the woman ended up like cussing me out and stuff. But I later found out she was a crackhead or whatever, or a drug addict. I don't know what drug of choice or whatever. So but I don't hold that against people, because when it comes to money, I can get pretty upset myself about certain things. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting ready to fill out the invoice, but yeah, just wanted to kind of fill you guys in on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and fill out this invoice, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all for just a sec to let y'all know about this shirt that I'm wearing. So I'm gonna check back in shortly. Alright, this t-shirt that I have on is the Gildan Hammer t-shirt. I actually got it from ISS, and it's their, one of their new t-shirts coming out. And I'm just gonna read off of here what it says about the t-shirt. This is, it's supposed to be better than the 5,000. Here's the tag for it right here. Yeah, the Gildan Hammer. And it comes in 30 colors. And right here, what they're saying is it's a 6 ounce. It's a 6 ounce shirt. It's 100% combed ring spun cotton. Fiber content varies by color, and you have to see the color list for exceptions. Then it's a classic fit, seamless, non-top stitch 7/8 collar. Pop your collar. And it's got a taped neck and shoulders, and it also has a tearaway label and 7/8 double needle hem sleeves or whatever, and it's quarter turn to eliminate the crease. Okay, so it goes from size small to extra large, and they say it's recommended decorating techniques is screen print, heat transfer, and embroidery. So yeah, that's just kind of letting y'all know about this shirt. But look, I was looking at it. You see where it's printed at? It's printed right here. I felt like the print should have been more here, you know, off in this area. But yeah, it's all good. You know, they print these shirts, they free, so you really can't complain. And I think this is the Carolina blue that I have. Let me see. It's Iris, I believe. I believe this is the one I have is Iris. But yeah, just to let you guys check that out. But yeah, I'm still waiting. And look, this is the total for that order that I did. That's actually the price for that. So like when you sitting here and you waiting on this much money, you know, I don't like it. This person gets an awesome deal that I'm pretty sure, unless you know the person who personally who's printing your shirts, you probably won't be able to get this deal. But yeah, just to kind of, you know, I guess remind y'all, if you once you set up your rules for your shop, you stick to them no matter what. You know, you don't like with this company, like the only exception may be like schools or something like that, or a well, not that this business is not well established, but it's like they like a small business like me, you know, like it's got to be a large business. That's the only way, because I know a lot of them, you know, the bigger businesses, they have to it's a process in order for them to pay, and they can't like pay half and then pay the other half and stuff like that. So yeah, just y'all make sure, and it's cold in here, y'all. Let me put my jacket back on. Let me stop faking the funk like I ain't cold, because it is freezing. It's probably about 30-40 degrees outside. But yeah, just y'all, you know, stick to your rules no matter what. And I wouldn't be here early this morning. I could be at home working on those videotapes I talked about on the live, trying to get them done, because it's going to take about 14 hours to get them done. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to the green and the red channel, make sure you do so and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on my future videos. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check down below in the description box. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.